So, ito na yung result at the open. Oh my gulay. Yung BKR, oh, negative 3.21%. Ano pa yan? Okay, so ibig sabihin, walang silbi kahit malakas yung volume na bullish. Basta below 20 and 50 EMA and 200 EMA and MACD sloping downward, it will go down. CTRA negative 2.51, diba? So yung mga candlestick patterns, ewan ko dyan. Parang baka hindi siya applicable sa ano, sa mga shorter time frame. Lahat bumaba. GEO negative 3.62, nag-gap down pa. And true enough, it's because it's below the EMAs and MACD sloping downward. Nike gap down to BBIO. Yeah, it's a gap down. Beke ba nag-gap up. Okay, the price is below 21 and 50 EMA with medyo times 2 yung volume, but the MACD is sloping upward. And maganda binigay sa atin dito sa Beke. Okay, KE Holdings yun. Chewy gap down din. Again, below EMA, MACD sloping downward. Okay, ito yung UFC. Okay, EDR bumaba na, bumaba pa. Okay, looking at the EMAs, sloping downward. MACD parang about to cross but did not. EQH grabe, negative 4.62. So moral lesson, don't buy when the price is below 21 and 50 EMA. Kanina kasi parang chamba lang yata yun eh. Ano yung kanina nakita natin positive? Itong Beke. Parang iisa pa lang siya na ganun na. Okay, EQH. KGS. Same thing. Ganda na sinasabi dito na report na kaysa number 1 na gasoline, blah blah blah. And yet it gapped down negative 3.41. Again, buti timitingin tayo sa technicals. Yan na, ibenta na natin yan. Okay, K-Web is plus 1.08. LMND, grabe, 3 negative 4.22%. Okay, ito yung itsura niya. Yung MACD niya sloping downward. And the price is below 21 and 50 EMA. Result, yan, gap down. Oh my gulay. LNC negative 5.58. Buti na wala ako niyan. Ito pwede natin tignan din, no? Itong ito mukha siyang higher high. Mukha siyang magbabounce. Di siya nagbounce at the closing. It went down. Umangat na konti, nagbigay ng konting hope. Boom, negative 5.58%. Pinterest, same thing, gap down, negative 3.51%. RRC, negative 0.05%. Snap, negative 3.89%. TFC, negative 3.37%. Grabe. So, lesson, huwag tayo magpapalin lang sa mga ganitong piercing line na to. Volume, ang lakas. But the MACD is sloping downward. So, we should not and must not buy. Okay. Toast Incorporated, negative 3.42. Halos pare-pareho sila, no? VNO, negative 2.20. XPEV, electric vehicle to, no? Negative 2.17%. Okay. So, that's it, Pansit. So, lesson here is that basta price is below 21.50 EMA, do not buy. If the 21 crosses down 50 EMA, do not buy. If MACD is sloping downward, do not buy. Okay. So, that's all. Quick video result of our previous video. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yun, I will attach the link in the description below para makita natin yung before and after. Alright? May the profits be with you. Bye.